Today, my friend Nadee is here to show us how to make Karachi Biscuits, also known as Tutti Frutti Cookies. These biscuits are just like the ones you would find in an Indian bakery. Sweet, buttery, and full of colorful tutti frutti. They are super easy to make and absolutely delicious.
Yum!
Let's get started and bake these amazing cookies together.
To make these Karachi biscuits, start by mixing half cup or 115 grams of room temperature butter with half cup or 60 grams of powdered sugar. Give it a mix until it is light and fluffy. This will help you get the right texture for your biscuits. It usually takes a few minutes with an electric mixer or a bit longer if you are mixing by hand. Next, take a sieve and sift together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This step helps to keep the biscuits light and airy. Now, gently mix all the ingredients together until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cookies tough. Next, add 1/3 cup of Tutti Frutti, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews, and a few drops of pineapple extract into the mix. Stir everything together until the dough is well mixed and holds together nicely. This texture will help your cookies bake up crispy and crumbly, just like those classic Karachi biscuits from the bakery. After you mix up your dough, shape it into a log about 2.5 inches thick and about 3 inches wide. Next, wrap the log in plastic wrap and pop it into the fridge. Let it chill there for about 20 to 30 minutes until it is nice and firm. This makes it easier to slice into neat biscuits later on. Once the dough has cooled and is firm, take it out of the fridge and unwrap it. Use a sharp knife to slice the log into 1/2 inches thick biscuits. Place biscuits on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a bit of space between each one to allow for slight spreading while they bake. Now, they are ready to go into the oven. Bake the Karachi biscuits in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges turn golden and your kitchen smells like a bakery. Let the biscuits cool on the tray for a few minutes before moving them to a cooling rack.
If you liked this sweet and crumbly Karachi Biscuits recipe, then check out also how to make these fantastic non-Katai shortbread cookies here. Check it out now.